Welcome back. Now, it's important to note as of the recording of this video that Mailchimp is offering more than just email marketing services as it traditionally has done. The company now offers website building services to compare itself to Shopify and Squarespace, offers website building and hosting to compare itself to GoDaddy, and offers analytical services to compare itself to HubSpot. And so you'll want to take this into consideration when you start looking at plans and before you start to evaluate. Having said that, what we're going to do now is we're going to click on this link that says pricing. Now, as of the recording of this video, if you are not paying for a plan, you are by default on Mailchimp's free plan. Now, that free plan allows you up to 2,000 contacts and one audience in order for you to use. If you choose to move up from 2,000 contacts or more than 3 audiences is another word for list, you can pay an additional amount at its lowest tier. You can move up from that tier in order to have more audiences or more contacts. Now, to determine your exact cost, you will need to look specifically at the calculator here at the bottom of the page. So for example, if you were to choose the Essentials plan and you were to have 500 contacts, that would put you at the lowest amount for that tier. However, if you were to have more contacts, the price would go up depending on how many people you'd have within that tier. And the same would be true for the other tiers. You'll have a tier price, which is a minimum amount, and then that price will go up depending on how many people you have as contacts. The one factor to note is that if you are managing clients and those clients are using Mailchimp, you can act as an agency with a specific account within Mailchimp. And to do that, you will need to join a specific aspect of the site called Mailchimp and Company. Now currently, Mailchimp and Company exists as no additional cost to whichever plan you currently have with Mailchimp. Now the account, for the sake of this course and this video, starts at the free account where we're using a fraction of the available contacts available. Now one of the other things you'll want to note is that the free plan allows you a minimum number of individuals that can receive your emails. So for example, if you have 352 contacts and you were to send this group of contacts between 30 and 40 messages, you may come close to running to your limit in terms of sending. So it may be a good idea to start with a free plan until you determine that what you're going to need is an upgraded plan to get additional features, or you run into some kind of limit imposed by your account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.